Lenovo docking stations enhance your laptop's connectivity, but require updated drivers for optimal performance and security. This segment shows how to update these drivers, ensuring compatibility and preventing issues like connection drops or port malfunctions. Updated drivers prevent connection drops, port malfunctions, and security vulnerabilities. First, identify your docking station model, such as ThinkPad Universal USB-C dock. Then, ensure your operating system is up to date, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Lenovo provides two primary update methods. Use Lenovo Vantage for automatic updates, or manually download drivers from the Lenovo support website. Regular updates address firmware bugs and security vulnerabilities and are crucial for maintaining functionality. For automatic updates, install Lenovo Vantage from the Microsoft Store. Open Vantage, navigate to Hardware Settings, then System Update, and install any dock-related drivers. For manual updates, visit support.lenovo.com, enter your serial number or model. Download the latest drivers under the Drivers and Software section. In Windows, use Device Manager. Connect your dock, right-click Start, select Device Manager. Expand categories like Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click your dock, select Update Driver. If problems persist after updating, uninstall the old drivers in Device Manager before reinstalling. Test all features like video, audio, and network post-update to verify success.